why WC get order returns false sometimes, and how to get WooCommerce orders properly. At some point, you may want to programmatically get the orders, but even though the order exists, WC get order just returns false. It's weird, it's not logical, it doesn't make sense. It turns out the problem is that that function needs to be called after this hook. So you need to hook like this and not in init or WooCommerce init or plugins loaded like this or after theme setup. You have to do it after WooCommerce has registered the post types that it has, and that way you can get the order information properly. To get to this tutorial, go to qsandbox.com/1415, and if you need a staging site, check out qsandbox.com.